In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drawn signature in Foxit Reader. Let's get started by opening Foxit Reader and loading the PDF you want to sign. If the document has a dedicated signature area, it can help to zoom in a bit so you're precise when placing the signature. A quick tip before you begin. If this is an important file, consider working on a copy so you always preserve the original. Once your PDF is open, look at the top of the window and go to the Home tab. There, click Fill and Sign. This tool is designed specifically for adding signatures and form entries without changing the actual content of the document, so it's perfect for quick, clean signing. In the Fill and Sign panel, click the plus icon to add a new signature. From the options that appear, choose Draw. This allows you to create a custom signature using your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus if you have one. Take your time here. Try to write your name in a smooth, continuous motion. If it doesn't look right on the first try, use the clear or redo option and draw it again until you're happy with it. Aim for a natural look, neither too thick nor too thin, and keep the signature proportionate, just like you would on paper. When it looks good, click OK to save it. You'll notice your mouse cursor changes to show a preview of your signature. That means it's ready to place. Move your cursor to the spot in the document where you want the signature to appear, such as the signature line or designated box, and click once to drop it in. If it lands slightly off, don't worry. You can usually drag to reposition it, and you can grab a corner handle to resize it so it matches the scale of the line beneath it. If you decide it's not quite right, you can delete it and place it again. Keep an eye on alignment and spacing so it looks professional and consistent with the rest of the document. And that's it. Your signature is now added. If you need to sign in multiple places or on additional pages, simply select the Save Signature again and click wherever you need it. When you're satisfied with the placement, you're done. To recap, you opened your PDF in Foxit Reader, used Fill and Sign, created a signature with Draw, and clicked to place it exactly where you wanted. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy signing your PDFs with confidence.